He's got his eyes on the prize. We do it God's way. We do what God say. We different and we know it God's plan and we never quit.
Corey the phone day trader.
Take it, no hesitate, no hesitate. Stocks rise, we take it by. He's the one who bets it
Bible in hand, he's wired to go. Markets open, he's ready to show. Oh, I ain't got the words wrong. Bible in hand, he's wired to go. Corey the phone day trader is taking no hesitator, no hesitator. Stocks rise, we taking buys. He's the one that bets it all.
Midnight whispers, numbers dance, every click serves, keep hands, his phone's up, portal, his desk,
We keeping God first when we trading these markets.
Jesus Christ led, so we can let our
We
target.
made some money today, man. Just little by little. Stacking, 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 stacking. Cha-ching!
Day trader is taking
We just taking our time, man. Trying to not rush the process. He's the one that bets it all. Praying in the morning before we take a trade.
prayer when the stream is over, getting that
Closure when it's all said and done. We made money today. You see these waves making you seasick, man? Woo! Oh, yeah. We made money today. The waves is waving, y'all. Corey the phone, day trader is taking no hesitator, no hesitator. Stocks rise, we taking buys. Best it all. Amen, amen. I said amen. Hallelujah, man. That's how we gonna do it, y'all. What's up with y'all, man? How y'all doing? What's up? What's happening? What's good, family? How y'all doing, man? I could have grabbed way more in this trade, but I decided to get out, man. It's about to hit full TP. I got out, though, man. I just took this micro NASDAQ trade. I had got out at like maybe it didn't hit a 1-to-1, so I got half of a 1-to-1. My full TP was a 1-to-2. It's about to hit the top of the 30-minute liquidity box. And the micro NASDAQ, just doing micro NASDAQ things. I got some money and I got out. I took a trade early this morning with my Lucid 50K eval flex account. We made big money in that account. And then I took one trade in my Lucid account today, earlier this morning, and I took one trade in both my funded futures, the 50K and the trade day 50K, both of those evals. I took the same trade with those. I just got out of the trade, y'all. This thing finna go hit full TP. NASDAQ always do this, man. I should have held it. I just took the NASDAQ signals, y'all. I just got out of the 15-minute signals on micro NASDAQ. This thing is finna hit full TP, man. Oh my gosh. What's up with y'all? Let me read the comments. Ali, move like a butterfly, sting like a bee. My eyes on. What's up, Ali? Good to see you, brother. What's up, man? What's up, Lay? Hey, Corey. Howdy, my man. How do you do, sir? How do you do? I'm doing all right there, buddy. All right. Lay is in the building, y'all. Jay, what's up, Jay? What's up, brother? Hope you had a good trading day. Yes, sir, I did, man. I got out the trade early, and this thing is finna hit full TP on the 15-minute time frame, man, on micro NASDAQ. I took the signals, y'all. This thing is finna hit full TP, man. I got out at a half a 1-to-1 because I didn't like the rejection. And this thing just continuing down, bro. I could have got a 1-to-2 out of this. It just hit full TP. My gosh, man. It just hit full TP, man. Dang. What's good? John Pope is in the building. What's up, John? Good to see you, brother. Jay said I had a pass or smash day today. I'm tired of playing with this eval. Either I'm going to pass it or give me a lucid account. I made 900 today. Jay, I feel you. That's why when I started off this year, I wanted to start off with straight to funded accounts. But I say, you know what? I'm going to work on my patience, man. I did not want to start the new year off with evals, man, but I'm trying to have patience, man. We've been making money in these accounts, man. We almost there. We're actually halfway on 2 accounts, and then we're like almost halfway with the other account. But my trade just hit full TP, man. Oh my gosh, man. What's up, Lady E? What's going on, Lady E in the building? I see you, Lady E. What's up with you? John Pope said, Corey, gold made me $1,564. I closed my charts and moved on. Liquidity swings, baby. We going to eat all day. You already know, man. So I got to get into these trades that I took today, man. The 30-minute liquidity grab hit today, but there was random news that came out of nowhere, y'all. And that thing hit a 1-to-3. It tapped the 30-minute liquidity box, and it just sold off so fast. Some type of news came out about Russia or something like that, about an oil tanker or something like that, and that thing tanked for a 1-to-3. I didn't get into that trade because we were consolidating, and normally like that, man, it normally consolidate and keep moving up, but the freaking 30-minute liquidity box hit again today, and I didn't take that one. Bogus. Y'all think y'all talking amongst each others. Put W's in the chat for the wins. W's, everybody. GC been much cleaner today for me. I do not fool with GC no more, man. Man, the market is still tanking, man. Dang, bro. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Not good for me today. TBZ, it's all good, brother. You're going to come back better, man. I don't know how many times I can keep saying that, because I've had my share of ups and downs. When there was nobody around, Corey was failing every corner you see. Failing eval after eval after eval. Lay said, bro, don't worry about what the chart is doing after you got your profits. The thing is, I was in the trade for the full TP. It just sucks to see it hit my full TP, and then I got out early. I hate that, man. I be hating that. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Ali said, Corey, why not pass them? I noticed when you are focused, you get some bangers. To be honest, Ali, I took a $250 trade on this. To be honest, this was a red 15-minute signal on micro NASDAQ. I was going to go for $500, but you know what I'm saying? I've been so nervous, man. I just want to make the right moves, and where I'm trying to make the right moves, I'm making too many moves. You know what I'm saying? So I think for the rest of the week, if I see the signal, if I see the box getting hit, I just gotta go, man. It's just I've just been nervous, man. I don't know why. I'm getting profits, but I could be grabbing more, if that makes sense. I grabbed profits today. I made some money today, man. But I could have made more. The freaking market hit my full TP just now, man. That was a $250 trade. On my funded futures 50K eval and the trade day 50K eval, I could have made $500, but instead I made like 100 and something. We all been there. Yeah, man. It's all good. What's up? Helpful is in the building. What's up, Helpful? Helpful, tell me why I was in the signals for the 15-minute sale, the 15-minute on micro NASDAQ. I just got out that trade. It hit a full 1 to 2. I had take profit at the top of the 30-minute liquidity box, right? But I ended up getting out for a half a 1 to 1 because I didn't like the rejection. So instead of I took $250 on this trade with the my funded futures eval and the trade day eval. I ended up only risking $250, and this hit for a $500 profit, and I ended up only getting like 100 and something because I got nervous and scared. Vanessa said, yes, sir. What's up, Vanessa? Vanessa, I'm sorry. What's up, Vanessa? What's going on, V? Good to see you. What's up with you? Soda Pop, how is it going? CTPT, Corey the phone trader. Man, we doing good, man. We made money today, man. Shout out to Helpful with the strategy, man. The signals hit again today. There was a red signal on the 15-minute time frame on micro NASDAQ, and this thing is still going down. It hit for a 1 to 2. I took profits early. I got out at like a half a 1 to 1, and this thing ended up hitting full TP. My TP was at a 1 to 2, and it ended up hitting full TP, man. I be hating that. Soda Pop, congrats. Helpful said the sell signal at 12:10. Yes, sir. The only sell signal on just now. It was the 15-minute. It was the 15-minute sell signal on micro NASDAQ. I just made money off that. This man said he's still in the trade. I done got out already. I got out at a half a 1 to 1. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm not holding the trades long enough, man. I get out early, and that is what be killing me. I be trying to trust the trade, and then when I trust it, it go against me. Then when I don't trust it, it go full TP. Hey, what's up?
Busy.
It's all good. Guess what I just want today? I want some cookies.
Cookie?
Yeah,
No
man.
sandwich today?
I don't want no food. I want some cookies.
Well, how many?
Let me get a chocolate, a macadamia. I mean,
Just one each?
you know what? 2 macadamia.
And chocolate
And
chip?
yeah, man. And that's it.
Any drinks, Mountain Dew?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
This
straight.
is not bad.
I'm good. Just 4 cookies.
390, please.
All right. Oh, we got them Subway cookies today. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just give me 1 minute.
All right. I'm treating myself to some Subway cookies today. Subway. I prematurely got out.
That's your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, take it easy. I think I'm gonna go to Burger King and get me a frozen drink. I'm finna go to Burger King now. Oh. All right, what y'all talking about, man? Helpful said he's still in the same trade, man. God dang. Ali said, Corey, you have to be confident in your trades. Believe in what you know, brother. I got out, man, because I've been going back and forth here lately, man. If I don't take profits, this is what's been going on, y'all. I be trying to trust the trade. I'm like, all right, I'm going to trust it is going to hit full TP. And then it comes stop me out. I don't move no stop losses or nothing. I'm like, well, shoot, maybe I need to take profits. Then when I take profits, it hit full TP. So it's like, it's like, dang, man. Can I just get on the right side, man? I tell myself I'm going to trust the trade, and then when I trust it, it just go hit my stop loss, and then I lost money. But when I decide to take profits, it hit full TP. It's like, danged if I do, danged if I don't, man. I'm happy that I made money. I'm good. I just could have made more. It hit my full TP today. I said at first I was going to trust the trade. I'm going to trust it. I'm going to trust that it's going to hit full TP. And then I just got nervous and backed out, man. I took profits too early. And then it ended up hitting full TP. If I had not took profit, it would have hit my stop loss. How you doing, sir?
Good afternoon.
Doing good, man.
Have a good day.
Have a blessed day, man. So it's like, danged if I do, danged if I don't, man. Golly, bro. Let me see what y'all talking about. Helfer said getting paid. Oh yeah, shout out to Helfer. That man getting paid from Lucid accounts. Man, let's go, Helfer. Helfer said there's a 5-minute resistance zone on the ES right there. NQ doesn't have one. Yeah, NQ ended up hitting full TP, man. Hadley, what's up, Hadley? What's up, Tupac? Hey, can y'all do me a favor? Go hit that like button. It's 22 people in here. I know people forget to go hit the like button. Go hit that like button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that, y'all. Go hit the like button now. Go hit that like button. Let's get the stream popping. Let's get, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into the algorithm, man. We the phone trade out here, man. We trying to do different things out here. Hadley said, oh, hold up. I'm driving to read comments and then finish up the comments. Hadley said, why don't you take profits, big fella? I did, Hadley. Hadley, I took profits. I did. And leave a runner. That way you secure profits but still collect more potentially. To be honest, Helfer told me about the leave the runners and things, man, but me trading from phones, it's hard to keep up with. If I could do it from the computer, like I would feel so much better. Like leaving runners and all that and taking some contracts off and stuff, man, it's kind of difficult from a phone, to be honest, man. I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. If I did it from a computer, it would feel so much better. But me trading from 3 phones, I traded from 3 phones today, man. So trying to take off contracts and keep up with the movement and then move my stop losses and stuff, man, it can be a lot. So if I could do it from my computer, it'll be a whole lot better. But trading from 3 phones, man, it could be so much. So I'm just trying to keep it very simple for me. Helfer said, if they both had one, I would have taken profit. But I'm betting on this zone getting broken. I got you, Helfer. I was getting ready to take, I had full TP on that 15-minute signal. My TP was aimed at the top of the 30-minute liquidity grab at 25,934.75. That was my full TP. I took the trade at 25,987. I got in on the signals at 987, and my full TP was at 25,934.75. But I got out at about 25,969.50. Do you trade certain sessions or whenever you get the signals? So the only session that I normally trade, Vanessa, is New York session between morning and lunch. Anything after that, it's got to be a signal. I'm getting to a point where now I'm trying to reduce my losses. I'm not taking a signal unless I'm not taking no trades after lunch unless there's a signal. And there was a signal today. All my big daddy, big boy trades came this morning before lunch. That's the trading zone that I like to be in. I don't like trading after lunch. unless it's a signal now. What's good, investors? What's going on, investors? Good to see you, brother. What's up, man? I'm finna read through these comments. The moment you hit the sell or buy button, you have to mentally assume that money is gone. Yeah, that's facts, helpful, man. I just got to get better at that, man. That's my issue. Holding that's my current hardest issue to conquer. Yeah, man, it's like I'm telling myself I'm holding the trade, and then when I decide to hold it, it hit my stop loss. Then when I take profit, it go hit full TP. It's like, man, whatever. I got my money, man. That's why we have power to set our stop loss. I've battled and conquered every other issue. Yep, mine is getting out of... My problem right now, y'all, is getting out of trades too early and taking profits too early. That's my problem. I'm cutting my trades too short. Real bad trades. What's going on, man? What it do? T Beezy in the building. What's up, T Biz? I done read your comment but forgot to mention your name, T Biz. My bad, man. What's up, T Busy for Sheezy, my easy? Real bad trades in the building. Oh no. Hadley said to T Busy, no, take it as you did not go out with a girl. With our girl. That's funny. Helpful said, you gotta learn how to take your trades on tradeday. You can set up trailing stop loss on there and then watch the trade on TradingView. You can also change your TP and stop loss on tradeday, even if you execute on it. So my problem is, man, helpful. I trade from like 2 to 3 phones, man. So I use tradeday on the web version on my Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Trying to trade from tradeday mobile, the app version, I don't even know how to do that, man. And if I try to bring up tradeday, the web version on a regular size phone like this, it don't look right, man. So I gotta figure some things out, man. I think what I'm gonna end up doing, y'all, I don't know. I really want this Samsung Galaxy trifold phone, and then I'm gonna work it from there. When I get that trifold, I'm gonna make some decisions. We'll see. What's up, Joe? What's up, Josie? No pro trader trades off their phone. That's what my mentor told me. I don't know what to tell you, Josie, but I'm gonna let you know now. I'm going to be the first to do it, man. I've gotten payouts from my phone, man. That's all I know. That's my brand. That's who I am, man. I'm Corey the Phone Trader, bro. I've gotten payouts from my phone, man. And dang it, I believe that I can be profitable from my phone. I don't care what nobody tell me. I don't care what nobody say, what nobody tell me. I believe I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me, man. Dang, where'd the comment go? Dang. What happened to, dang, Lady E? It timed him out. What happened? Lady E, you acting like Hadley. Y'all give him a chance, y'all. That wasn't too bad. He just said that, you know, I couldn't be profitable. That's an opinion. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't that bad. Y'all give him a chance, y'all. God dang. That wasn't too bad. You know what I'm saying? That was a valid, you know what I'm saying? Let me try to prove them wrong. And then once I prove them wrong, then if they come back with some more mess, then you know what I'm saying? Then you can time them out. But just give them a chance, y'all. Shout out to Ali, Hadley, and Lady E, my moms. Y'all give them a chance, y'all. That wasn't too bad. He just stating that I can't do it, but guess what? We can do all things through Christ which strengthens us, man. We don't care what people tell us. We care what God say, man. I've gotten payouts from my phone, man. I'm different, man. I want to continue to be different. That's what sets me apart from everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure it's not all from everybody else, but I just want to be different. And I want to show regular 9-to-5 people that they can make money from this, man. Don't you know that there's a lot of fathers, there's a lot of mothers There's a lot of married couples, single people that are working very hard out here. They got 2 to 3 jobs. They got 2 and 3 jobs out here really trying to make it. And they're trying to like, man, what can I do to make extra money, man? And a lot of people only have this. This is where we're at, y'all. Some people ain't even got laptops to trade from, man. Some people ain't got nice setups to trade from. Some people not getting blessed like I am. Like, shout out to CP Trader that blessed your boy with a whole new laptop. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. Some people are not fortunate like that. So people have to learn from this. And I want to show people that you can make money from this. I'm a living testimony, y'all. I want to show people that it can be done. They don't have nothing else but this. You know what I'm saying? It's hard out here for them. So let me be the one to show them how they can make money from this. That's my desire. That's my passion, is to help the men and women of God in this world to make money. God said the people of God don't have to be broke. It is the money that's the root of all evil. It's not the money. You conquer the money can be up under you. When money run you, that's how you become evil. We trying to flip the script, man. Corey, I would concentrate on one account per trade so that I would not be nervous. Ali, I got you. I understand. Just take one trade per account. Yeah, I got you. Lady E said we're not doing judgment. Yeah, you right. Y'all give me a little bit of time just to prove them wrong. Let me at least prove them wrong. Let me do that. Jay Styles in the building. What's up, Jay Styles? Yeah, he must not know. Exactly. The name says it all. Everyone have their own blueprint. Yeah, I'm just trying to show people that it can be done, man. Please behave. No one is judging you. And you also not judge us. Thanks. I'll put him on timeout. He called us dumb. Lady E acting like Hadley. Do y'all know each other? Y'all, man, she Hadley, you rubbing off on Lady E, man. That's good, though. I appreciate y'all. I locked in NQ trailing strat last night, paper trading it today. That's what's up. 1090, you might want to be respectful. Do not start name calling. Have fun and time out. What did he say? Did he say something bad, y'all? What did he say? Did he say something bad? I just seen where a dude just said, can't no phone trader make it. I can. Stop. Hammer time. Real bad trades. Boom. Hammer time. No, he called us dumb. That's why. Oh. Okay, Lady E. All right. Y'all.
Thank you for your patience. Go with the order.
Yes, ma'am. Can I please have a cotton candy frozen drink?
I don't have the cotton candy.
Okay, what you got?
I have the strawberry, the Coke, and the pineapple.
Ooh, let's try that pineapple.
All right, and medium.
Give me a big boy today.
Large.
Yes, ma'am.
And did you want the cold foam added to it?
No, ma'am. No nerves. No none of that.
Okay. All right, that's everything for you.
Yes, ma'am.
$2.49 first one down.
Thank you. I see why y'all booted him. He said he called us dumb. Oh, well. You know what I'm saying? At least let me have fun with it a little bit, y'all. So into the Matrix he went. Ali said he went into the Matrix. Yeah, that's funny. Y'all funny, man. I love y'all, man. Y'all minds don't play no games. I gotta be on my best behavior. Hey, Hadley has, man, I would have to say Hadley started it. Hadley started this, boy. I give it to Hadley, man. Just don't nobody want to put up with no BS, man. Hadley rubbed on everybody. Hadley rubbed off on me. I'm putting people in time out at my job. It's like, man, I'm keeping it real with the people at my job. Don't you know that I told somebody today, I was like, if Hadley ain't rubbing off on me. So, you know what I'm saying? Somebody was like, hey, you know, do you guys got this product? I was like, no. They was like, why? I was like, because, you know, sometimes when we order product, the truck doesn't send it. So it's not up to us. We do our job. It was like, well, you need to do a big job. And I started to be like, hey, big fella, what you mean, man? Are you talking smack to me, big fella? Huh? Big fella, you might want to get that together, big fella. I was like, big fella just kept running through my head, man, as I was talking to this dude. Because this dude was trying to catch an attitude with me because the product didn't come in. I'm like, I don't work at the warehouse, brother. I'm sorry, man. Like, dang, dog, what you want me to say? What you want me to do? I'm doing the best I can, man. And I don't even order. The manager does. Like, get mad with them. I'm like, hey, you might want to check that attitude, big fella. That's funny. Yeah, man, I'm like Hadley rubbing off, man. Lady, he said, I won't do that, guys. No one cares about his opinion, but calling us names is a hard no. I got you. I understand, y'all. 100% with Ali, yup. I guess I'm just like, you know, I'm like this. They want to call me dumb and stupid. I'm like, you want to call me dumb and stupid? Here, take this. And they be like, oh, for real? Yeah, you call me dumb and stupid. Come on, come grab it. I just be entertaining them. I'm like, well, dang, maybe I am dumb. You know what I'm saying? I'll just be playing with them. I know, I'm just joking around. They be like, man, you dumb from trading from your phone. I'm like, dang, for real? Can you show me how to do it? Yeah, make sure you know what I'm saying? I'm giving them the bait. Yeah, make sure you do this and that. Oh, I'm like, oh, for real? Okay, I might try that. Psych. I like playing around with people when they think they know everything. Yeah, TBZ, it's the love of money, man. Ali said, I know you guys been pressing buttons all day. Please press the like button. Helps the stream immensely. Thank you, guys. I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate that. Oatmeal raisin, get 1 or 2 of those. I don't do cool tea. I don't really do oatmeal like that, man. Lady E said she learned from Hadley. Yeah, Hadley rubbed off on everybody. J Style said wipe your feet before entering and hit the light as you come in. I like that. That's what's up. Just a frozen drink.
Yeah.
How much is it?
$2.49.
$2.49. You can keep that penny.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Let's get the blue ski drink, Corey. Oh yeah, man, we're gonna get that new blue ski cotton candy drink. Got 200 grams of sugar, man. Hey. Oops. What's up, CP Trader? CP Trader is in the building, y'all. CP said well-balanced diet right there. Cookies and big boy frozen drink. Oh, yeah, all the calories, all of the sugar. Jay Sal said now, Corey Phone Trader, if that wasn't a ma'am, what would have done? I done that. Oh, yeah, man, I do that all the time, man. I be like, thank you, ma'am, and then I get to the door and it's a whole dude. I'm like, hey, bro, my bad. You do sound like a woman, though.
All right.
Hey.
You want pineapple all by itself?
I sure do, yeah. Don't get to me. Yeah, Hadley a different beast, man. Corey the master. Helpful, don't you start today. We're going to be on our best behavior, Helpful, man. Helpful, you already starting, dude. I ain't finna fool with you. You have nothing to worry about. You a cool cat, big fella. Hey, big fella. It's Trader who don't even use charts. They use superstition and feeling. I'm sure you can use a phone. Yeah, man. But honestly, I have seen people losing thousands on the computer and at the same time make thousands trading on their phones. I'm just saying, man, it can be done, brother. It can be done. You hear me? Almost had him. No, I'm not. You sure did. You almost baited me into saying that. Helpful, I ain't finna fool with you today, dog. I'm not finna fool with you, man. Man. What's up, Bull Breaker? Good to see you, brother. What's up? John Pope says, any update on Discord group? So this is the dilemma that I'm having, John Pope. So CJ, does anybody know anything about Discord in this chat, man? The problem I'm having is the Discord is done. The Discord is finalized. The Discord is done. The only problem I'm having is when you join my Discord, it doesn't charge you. I'm trying to get it to where as soon as you join my Discord, you have two options to buy a monthly subscription or buy it all outright for 1 year. It's not working, and it's got to be in the settings somewhere. I'm not doing something right. So CJ was supposed to call me last night. Well, I texted him last night, and he said he had a bunch of stuff going on. So we're going to try again tonight. We're going to try to finalize this Discord tonight. I got Bible study, so I hope that he's able to get with me after Bible study. So we'll see, man. But the Discord is done, man. I just need to know, what am I doing wrong? I made like a different account. I got a different email, and I've tried joining my Discord, and it doesn't start you off with those two options, whether you get the monthly subscription or you buy it all outright for 1 year. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, man. And so CJ knows what he's doing, but he wasn't able to talk to me last night. So I'm waiting on CJ, y'all. But John Pope, the Discord is done. It's just when you join the Discord, it's not giving you the option to pay $19.99 a month, or you can just pay all outright of $200 for the whole year. So I don't know how to do it, man. And I'm not charging through Discord, y'all. I'm using WHOP, WHOP. So I did you guys a favor. When I do straight through Discord, when I charge through Discord, they take so much money out, y'all, and then they charge you more. What was that? What the heck, man? What was that just popped up on my phone? So I'm waiting on CJ to help me get it to where I can use WAP. Because if I did it straight through Discord, y'all, they would charge you a lot more, and then you have to pay more through Discord. So I figured out, I've been watching YouTube videos how to link up WAP through Discord. It's a whole lot cheaper, and it's an easier process. It's just some settings that I'm not doing to make that work, man. But you guys, please bear with me. The Discord is done. I just have to wait on CJ to help me. If CJ it doesn't get back with me, does anybody else know how to do Discord? Please feel free to tell me. You know what I'm saying? Is there anybody out there that knows how to do Discord? What are y'all talking about? I'm gonna end up showing y'all the money that I made today, y'all. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't want to restart the stream, y'all. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. There was some message that just popped up on my phone, man. I'm like, what is this? Corey, how we feeling today, my brother? The market's blessed today. Yes, sir. William Black, we made money in all 3 of our accounts from 3 different phones, man. We made money today. Isn't this where you need a third party for payments? Yes, I'm using WOP. I'm using WHOP. I'm using WOP. And somehow, when you log into the Discord, it automatically charges you. I found out how like you can like make certain things in the Discord. You can charge certain stuff in the Discord, but I want to make it to where in order to join my Discord, you got to pay right up front. Cause I'm not trying to have no BS, man. People, that means that people can just join my Discord, and if they won't like the signals or other strategies that I have in there, they'll have to go to that section and then pay for it. Whereas a lot of people can get in free, start a bunch of trouble and stuff. In order to join my Discord, you have to pay right up front because it eliminates a lot of the unnecessary people. You know what I'm saying? The trolls and stuff like that. If you're going to be a troll, but guess what? You're going to pay to be a troll. That's my whole thing. If you want to come in my Discord and be on some foolishness, you're going to pay. You're going to pay in order to be a troll. And then once I get the money, I'm going to boot you. That's why I want to do it this way. Nope, I just use it. Don't know the okay. Try Real Bad Trade said maybe something like paid channels or monthly buys. It might let you join for free, but channels can be paid. Thanks, Corey. It looks like Chinese Kung Fu movie. No, China. What are y'all talking about? Oh, okay. Ali said I'm good now. Something happened with my phone, man. I don't know. I can still hear you. Yeah, it was out of sync. I had got a message from my phone about an email or something. I don't know. What's up, Unc Cash? Can't go wrong taking the profits. What's up, Unc? Good to see you, sir. What's up with you? It's back now. Okay, you need to refresh or something. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't want to restart the stream because then it's going to mess up. Congrats. Wait, isn't WAP a song? J Styles, I'm talking about WAP. Man, y'all ain't finna trick me. I was just trying to get him. No, J Styles, you ain't finna. Nope. Y'all not finna get me, man. Helpful already tried and it failed. Y'all ain't finna. Y'all, nope. I went to buy that. Okay, it's only ACA payment. I'm doing it until they do credit card. Oh, okay, Ali. Thank you, brother. I'm like, am I okay? What's going on, man? But if I'm waiting on CJ, guys. Ali, I'm waiting until, as a matter of fact, Ali, I was going to wait until 106, but I'm going to go ahead and clock out right now. Thank you, Ali, for reminding me. Appreciate it, man. Let's see. So my boss came by today, man. He actually came into the building, gave me my paperwork and stuff, what I needed to do, and then he dipped. I love my boss, man. 10657. My boss just come in, make sure everything good, make sure I'm doing my job, and then he leave, man. The closest boss that I have stays in Ohio, y'all. He stays states away. No, he actually stays right above Kentucky. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I'm not for sure. But he come do his job and then he leave. It's like there ain't no point in just sticking around, man. You do your job. I'm gonna get on out of here. I like that, man. Man, this dude look like a woman, man. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, Jesus. Jesus helped them today. Y'all go ahead. This dude look like a woman. Come on, man. So I'm in the secure well, I'm not. I'm over in the other area. So I'm getting ready to show you guys the trades that I took today, man. What's up with this? What? What was it? Order rejected. It better not have. You better not be in no order. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the trades that I took today, man. Let's get into the first one. Let's see. Alright, let me show y'all the trades that I took today, man. Alright, so this was the first trade, y'all. Y'all see this sell signal? So this was the 30-minute liquidity box that I was talking about, man. We go to the 30-minute. This 30-minute liquidity box right there, this was formed, I think in November. No, December. This box was formed in December. This box was formed December, what, 26? December 26? This box right here. So I definitely drew out that box right there, right? So the market finally ended up hitting on the 5-minute time frame. The market hit that box. I didn't expect that box to get hit today. It did. It tapped it and then it just dropped to like a 1 to 3, y'all. So the crazy thing was, man, I did not expect that. There was some news that came out this morning, y'all, about Russia and the oil tanker or something like that. And so I missed that trade. That trade was missed. It tapped the box and then it went for a 1 to 3. But I noticed that we have we got a respected area right here. The market is not finishing below this white line, below these candles, right? So I'm like, okay, the market went all the way down there but then finished above where all these wicks at. I said, yeah, this thing don't look like it's gonna come down no more, or else it would have kept going down. So what I did was I noticed the markets went pretty much back up to go grab that liquidity right there, or almost tap the 30-minute liquidity box again. So then I got in for a trade. I got in, y'all, as I'm seeing the market going up back to this yellow box. I got in for a quick 1.36 trade. That was a beautiful trade, man. That was, I think, what account was that? That was with the Lucid account. I took that trade with the Lucid account. That was a beautiful trade, man. So it was just based off of the market not finishing below this white line. It did go tap this 30-minute liquidity box and it dropped for a 1 to 3, but then made all of it back up. I saw as it's getting ready to make it back up, I got in and aimed for the middle of the liquidity box, and it gave me my trade, man. This was a good trade, very excellent, good trade. So I don't know what account was. Which account? Where's Lucid at? Let's see. Now I gotta log back in. Oh my gosh, man. LTT. Y'all hold up, y'all. I gotta log back into this account, man. Shoot. I'm gonna log back into this account and show y'all how much I made in this Lucid account right quick. Come on. Okay. So now we are going back to tradeday. So, okay. Ali, yes, I did. I clocked in, man. I got to clock out at like 1:20. At 1:20, I got to clock out. But I'm good, though. 7, 2G, A. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Now, let's clock in. So I took one trade on my Lucid account, y'all. Here's what the account balance is, y'all. Y'all hold up. Here we go. Let me move that so you guys can see. All right. So here's what we made today, y'all. We made $652.50 on that Lucid account today with that one trade. This was the trade that I'm talking about. Hold up. No, I actually don't want to get out of it. So this is the Lucid account, the 50K Lucid account that Ali gave it to us. We blessed to have this account. Shout out to Ali for hooking your boy up. As you guys can see, we made $652.50 on that one trade, man. That was a $500 trade. I only took a $500 trade today in this Lucid account. The other two accounts, I took $250. This was a very good trade. And you see that we now have the account above $51,000. That was an excellent trade, guys. And that's the drawdown. That's end of day, which really whoa. Can't look at that. All right. So this was the trade right here. That was the trade. I based it off of it hitting this box. It went down. It did not finish below this white line, and then it just took off. And so as it started taking off, I noticed that I'm like, you know what? Let me try to get profit as it's going back into this 30-minute liquidity box. That was the trade right there. So we now have our Lucid account. Let me go back to it. Here we go. We made $652.50 on that. That's where we have the Lucid account at right now, y'all. So that was a beautiful trade, man. Now I'm going to show you the trade that I took with both of these other two accounts. Let me erase all this stuff. So all right, so this was the trade that I took with the other two accounts. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute time frame. Shoot. All right, so all right, here we go. So this was the 15-minute time frame signal that I took. As you guys can see, that thing tanked all the way down. I had my take profit, guys. Move, man. I had my take profit, guys, down here to this yellow line, to this yellow box, right? We can get rid of that. And we can get, no, leave that there. So I was aiming for a 1 to 2. This was a $250 trade, y'all. I aimed for a 1 to 2, right? But notice, if you look close, my 1 to 1 was at that white line. You see, the market did not hit my 1 to 1, man. I was so frustrated about that. I'm like, you was there, but didn't even hit it, man. I'm like, come on, man. Actually, we get rid of that and we draw it again. So I was in this trade, y'all. You see that? I got in on the 15-minute time frame. What y'all talking about? I'll read the comments in a minute. All right, so I took the signal on the 15-minute time frame. As you guys can see, micro NASDAQ, 15-minute time frame. That was the signal. I got the signal. I got in for the trade. I put a 25-point stop loss. And when I saw this, I exited out the trade, y'all. So I missed my 1 to 1 by that much. Y'all see that? When I started seeing the market retrace, it didn't even hit my 1-to-1. It did not hit my 1-to-1, and I prematurely got out about right here. I got out about right there. So when I got out, of course, the market just kept tanking down. I said, you son of a gun. The market ended up going all the way down to my TP down here, man. I was so frustrated. So I took two trade. I took the Lucid account was already done. That trade happened earlier. That's a 50K Lucid Flex account. I made $652 today in that account. We officially have that at $51,000. I took this trade in my 50K My Funded Futures core account and also in my 50K Trade Day account. All three are evals. So we made this much in our, what am I doing? I can do it. So we made on that one trade $164.40. Very good trade, man. Very good trade. And then if I go over here to this account, I got all these phones, man. So if I go to the account over here, we go to Tradeday over here. We took the same trade in this My Funded Futures account. You see My Funded Futures core, Trade Day. Both of these are 50K evals. And you see I made $165.50 on that trade. And this is where the account is. And I made almost the same thing this account. You see where that account is at. So we good, y'all. We doing really good, man. This phone right here that I'm recording with, this was the Lucid account. So I showed that to y'all already. I traded with 3 phones today, man, including this one right here that you seeing everything with. So we made money today, y'all. Now I'm dropping phones. We made money today. We doing really good, y'all. Very good today. Very good day today. We made pretty much what? Let's add it up. How much did we make today total? We made 652 plus 165 plus 164. We made almost $1,000 today in profits. So we good, man. We did really good. We made profit. So all my accounts are looking good, man. Today is Wednesday, looking really good. All right, what y'all talking about? What's up, PNB Beats? What's going on, man? Good to see you, brother. What's up with you? Rough NTV says, still trying to learn. I'm only using Weeble. Any advice? I'm sure they already talking to you, man. Shout out to PNB Beats is in the building. Mama, there goes that man. Ski Wee. What's up, man? How much it costs for the Lucid account? That somebody actually blessed me with that account, man. Somebody gave me this account. But a Lucid account, here, I'm going to put it in the chat. If you guys want to buy any accounts, man, if you want to buy a Trade Day eval or you want to buy a Lucid account, make sure you use y'all my coupon code. Use hold up. Trade Day / Lucid. Use code Phone Trader. All caps. If you guys want to buy an account, that's what you use, man. Make sure if you want to buy a trade, if you want to buy a Trade Day 50K, if you want to buy any accounts, if you want to buy any Trade Day accounts, if you want to buy any Lucid accounts, use my coupon code Phone Trader, all caps. Helfer said, I'm trading a new prop called Hola Prime. What? They have a sale, so I got a 50K account for $50, but they don't use Tradeovate. They use a browser trading platform called GUI Trade. Oh, heck no. No, sir, Helpful. GUI Trade? GUI? Man, heck no. Helpful said, yeah, you was like, what the heck did I get into? We trading futures through known prop firms. Thank you, Ali, for addressing him. NQ taking a dump. Yeah, I seen it. I got my profits. I'm out of there now. Ali said, oh dear. Helpful don't know about gooey trade. Man, that sound fishy all over. That sound like a rug pull, man. Heck to the no. Gooey what? That's crazy. I use Plaid to pay. I don't think they can see my info when you use Plaid. Oh, you good. They can't with Plaid. If you are new to futures, I would suggest paper trading first. Ali got them together. I need help. Anyone via email me? Yeah, I had to think. That's why I'm waiting on CJ for this Discord, man. Instead of talking through YouTube, man, you guys will be able to talk to me through my Discord. I'm waiting on CJ. I'm waiting on CJ to show me how to link up my WAP, my WHOP account to where, cause if I charge y'all through Discord, it's gonna be a lot more money. So I'm using WAP to charge through Discord. It's gonna be $19.99 a month, or you can pay $200 one-time fee for my Discord. There's some cats in there making money, man. My reason for charging is because it's a business. I'm not really getting a lot of affiliate money. I'm looking at the bigger picture, and then also it would eliminate a lot of trolls coming to the Discord. A lot of trolls ain't gonna want to pay, and if you come in there to pay, thank you for your vote of confidence. Thank you for the money. Troll if you want to, still gotta pay. I need you have cat from Knicks all over their site. They have cat from the Knicks. Cat trades. Knicks TP hit on the short signal short. Oh, let's go, helpful. I ain't even looked at the charts no more. It's Trading Star. What's up, Trading Star? Trading Star, the Big Daddy, Big Boy, Big Humongo Dunga, Big King Kong, Big Godzilla account. It been gone, man. I overtraded on a Friday and just went tilt, man. It's 29 people in here, man. Can y'all give me some more likes? Everybody make sure they go hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Go hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. I know a lot of people coming to the stream and forget to hit the like button. Go hit the like button for your boy. Do that for your boy. TBZ, okay, first thing, what's futures, man? Oh, I'm sure y'all talking to him. Help him out, 65773. This is why I gotta hurry up and get this Discord, man, because we could communicate in the Discord. People who don't know how to trade and stuff can come to the paid Discord, and this cat's in there that's making money. I've made money this year trading prop firms. My problem is I just get greedy, man, and I overtrade, and then I get nervous, and I got to deal with that. I got to deal with my patience, but I know what I'm doing. I know clearly what I'm doing. It's just I get impatient. I have to work on my patience, man. Got to work on my freaking patience. True, but they gatekeeping. I need live feedback now. I feel you, rough and TV. I feel you, rough and TV. Yeah, rough and TV. I feel you, man. Cats act like they don't want to help you and just taking your money. I can assure you, man, when you come over here, you gonna make some money, brother. You gonna do some great things over here, man. We not just jipping people, bro. Captain Crunch, what's going on, Captain Crunch? Good to see you, brother. What's up, man? How your trading going for the new year? We made $652 in our Lucid 50K Flex account, our 50K eval. We made $66 in My Funded Futures 50K eval, but we made $164 in the Trade Day 50K eval. We made money all across the board, man. Yeah, Ruffin. We gonna get you together, man. I'm waiting on CJ. CJ gotta hurry up and tell me how to do this, man. What's the difference? Lucid account versus prop firm. I'm confused. Lucid account is the prop firm, Captain Crunch. This thing still going down. Lucid is yeah. You cannot trade if you do not know what you are trading. It's yeah. There y'all go. Help him out, man. That's funny. Gooey trades sound like they trying to stick it to us. Yeah, man. I ain't with that. Hey, shout out to Ali and the people that's helping Rough in TV. Shout out to anybody helping that brother out, man. I guarantee, brother, when we make this Discord, man, you gonna make some money. You gonna learn. First, you need to learn, dog. Just don't throw your money in no prop firm and just go willy-nilly out there. You need to learn. And I also have videos in my Discord that'll teach you the strategies. I have a supply and demand strategy in there. I have the trend line flag strategy in there. I have liquidity swings, buy helpful strategy in there, and then liquidity swings, buy helpful signals that's in there. 4 different categories, man. It's too much to think about when you're trading. It would be interesting to watch your journey. Yeah, I overtraded today. No bueno. Oh, Roosevelt, it's all good, man. It's all good, brother. Shoot, man, ain't no... Y'all watch me every day and watch me do stupid stuff. Rough in TV. I think I just explained it, man. So, Rough in TV. The reason for charging for my Discord, it's a business, man. So, you may not know nothing about this, but a lot of people who have their affiliates with different prop firms, they making all type of money, but they have like a free Discord. This is in case anybody like, man, you shouldn't be charging. All right, you go ahead then. I'm looking at this as a business. And my Discord, I plan on doing huge giveaways. I plan on giving like hundreds, thousands of dollars once I start really making money in the Discord. I want to create a community for my Discord where I'm just, this is another thing. A lot of people don't know me, but I give big. So would you rather me give to YouTube where there's a whole bunch of people out there that could be watching and they get, you know what I'm saying, you've been supporting me for a while, but they getting the giveaway that you've been waiting for? Or would I rather do this giveaway in my Discord for people who's paying for the Discord? I would rather do a giveaway in the Discord, man. I plan on doing like prayers in my Discord, phone calls in the morning. Prayer changes things, guys, man. I plan on doing a bunch of stuff in my Discord that a lot of people are not doing. And who you know going into a Discord praying? I believe in prayer. I believe in casting down demons. I believe in putting Lucifer, aka the devil, in his place. Prayer changes things, man. And in order to, you know what I'm saying, in order to put things in submission, you got to put the devil in a submission hole. So that means that we need to get rid of like tilting. We need to get rid of just taking dumb and stupid trades. We have to pray over our mindsets, man, and we have to be prepared in the morning when we take trades to take the right trades and not do nothing stupid. I plan on giving away hundreds and thousands of dollars in my Discord. I would rather give it to the people that's paying for a paid subscription. Also, when you look at it as a business, there are a lot of people that have that's making a lot of affiliate money with free Discord. People want to give me flack like, man, why are you charging, man? You shouldn't be charging. Well, then ask them people that ain't getting no affiliate money. They charging for courses. They charging for one-on-one mentorship. They charging for a whole bunch of crazy stuff. But only thing I'm charging is $19.99 a month. And in this Discord, you're going to make some money. It's a business, man. Y'all balling, man. No, I ain't. I wish I could. Corey, how long have you been trading? Clint, I've been trading for two years. It was 2 years in December. I started in 2023. So we are at the beginning of 2026. So I have been trading 2 years and 1 month now. So your Discord is the way to learn, but I need to pay for a lesson. Correct me if I'm wrong. And also, man, when you join the Discord, you're hanging out with a bunch of great people, man. But yes, if you want to put it like that, you should have beginner-friendly videos for people like talk about risk management and other similar topics. Maybe you're right. That's a lot, man. I'm already man. I mean, you do make a good point. You do make a good point. Maybe I should make videos, but I don't think I'm that guy, to be honest, man. I would have to pay somebody. I'm willing to pay somebody else to make a video, and then I'll put it in my Discord for them to learn, man. Because I don't have the time, man. I don't have time to break down the market and stuff like that. Because I learned through supply and demand. And now, you know what I'm saying, a lot of people are wanting the signals through helpful, man. A lot of people are wanting that. This is a totally different strategy. I learned a totally different way. So there may be an easier way for somebody else to learn. So I'm willing to give somebody a little something if they can make, well, the people that I trust. I'm talking about my normal crew. If you want to make a video that, and I could put it in my Discord, and it'll be one video explaining how the market moves. You know what I'm saying? What are the candlesticks and stuff like that? I'm willing to pay them a little fee. You know what I'm saying? I'm willing to bless you. Because I don't feel like making that video for new people, man. I'm just not. But I'm willing to pay somebody else to make like a decent 10 to 20 minute video explaining the market, how it moves. You know what I'm saying? I'm willing to pay a little something. But for me to make a whole video explaining that, because I learned supply and demand, I learned totally different. And I learned a different way. You know what I'm saying? I didn't learn by candlesticks and all that stuff. I learned what to look for when it comes to supply and demand. And then over the time, I picked up the other stuff. Yes, I understand, but I'm only using Webull that all. But I have got in Forex and TradeView. I don't do Forex, man. Forex is no, I don't do that. I bought another Tradeify daily payout account. $2,500 per feels too easy. Yeah, it is nice. You need to start with basics. Read the free Candlestick Bible, then use free YouTube to understand the basics. From there, invest in mentorship to accelerate your path. People always think free is better, and that's not the case. Remember, if the service is free, you're the product being sold. Yeah. Let me know if you want me to email you the Candlestick Bible. Shout out to Lady E, man. Lady E, own it. Thank y'all for helping this brother out, man. Thank y'all so much, man. I'm catching up with the chat. Since 2024, futures since July 2025. Oh, June. Okay, sure. I'm definitely going to Discord. Let's cast out some demons in the name of Jesus. Clint, you already know, man. You ain't got to say that twice. Hadley say, hey, bro, if you knew, you're going to have to pay to get a good understanding and not get played. There's people out here charging thousands of dollars for 101 or strategies. That's what I'm saying, man. Like, you got people out here charging thousands of dollars like for one-on-one mentorship. They're charging like $100 a month for like Discords and stuff. Like, it's people who ain't even been trading longer than me charging almost $500 for a course. I learned free on YouTube. How dare I charge for a course? I'm charging to get the trolls out of the way, and it's a business. And there's people in there that's making money that can help you make money because they're helping me. I would gladly pay for it. I appreciate your service you provide for all of us. Paying for the Discord would get rid of the trolls. That's a main reason, John Pope. One of the main reasons If people just coming into a Discord, they're gonna try to get money out of people. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure there's gonna be some trolls coming in there trying to do some stupid stuff. But best to believe, I got some Tupacs and some Biggies, and some lady. Shoot, what's a good lady that been in the streets? Shoot, you got Tupac, you got Biggie, you got shoot. Just think of a gangster lady. Shoot, we got people like Lady E, Vanessa, you know what I'm saying? These cats is gonna be hard in this Discord, man. And I got good people that'll look out for me, man. And when it comes down longer down the road, I'm gonna pay these guys, man. I'm gonna pay people who are gonna be my mods in my Discord. Down the road. Not right now, just down the road. When I start, you know what I'm saying, making good money. But it's just, you know what I'm saying, it'll get rid of a lot of the trolls, John Pope. Somebody see my Discord and like, he charging. No, let's go somewhere else. They love being in the free and getting money out of people. I'd rather not go through all that, man. Real bad trades, that's the lie people tell themselves. Anyone serious about their career as a trader find value in marketing and investment into themselves. Trading isn't easy. It's a long road of losing money before you're consistent. That's true. I have a new indicator that I built. I had to do it for back testing and looking down NQ trailing stat. Man, Helpful, man. I don't know what to say, Helpful, man. You giving us so much game, man. I swear, Helpful, man, when I can start really making money, man, I got to bless you with some type of services, bro, because you have really helped me out. You helped a lot of us out, man. And I don't really have the money to do what I want to do right now. But, bruh, if I got to bless you with something. You're going to have to send me your cash out. Let me bless you and your family for a nice dinner. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, man, you know what I'm saying? Let me bless you with some. Y'all take take you and your wife on a nice vacation. I know you don't probably need it, but it's just the gesture, man. You know, it's just me saying thank you. I at least just want to say thank you, brother. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, I'm so appreciative of people being in my corner, people that I've never met, wanting to help me, giving us free game on how to make money. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to show you and tell you thank you. Man, that losing road is from here to the moon. Man, who you telling? True that. I kept losing 6 months, man. Terry Trades is in the building, man. Oh, my gosh, man. Terry in the building. Terry Trades 100. I'm sorry, I'm so late in the chat. Terry, if Terry is still here, what's up, Terry? Terry Trades 100 is in the building. She didn't enter the chat, y'all. What's up, Terry? Thank you for joining the chat, man. I'm just telling people what I've got going on, man. You know what I'm saying? We was helping a brother trying to understand the markets and stuff, and I'm late on the chat. Terry done entered it into the building. Shout out to you, Terry. Thank you for joining, Terry. Man, shout out to Terry. Terry is a goat, man. I mean, well, yeah, you the lady goat. How about that? Terry is a celebrity. Terry is the lady goat. What's up with you, Terry? How you been, man? TB, yeah, Terry is a famous person in here. Yeah, man, Terry famous in this trading world, man. Ali, you're a genius. 6 months is nothing, man. Hell for no way. Roosevelt. Yep. Everybody saying what's up to Terry. Just charge and take wings and tenders for your course pay, man. TBZ, don't you start. Did I tell y'all about that story? A lot of y'all know, man. Everybody, a lot of you people that don't know, I do videography. I do like weddings and baby showers and documentaries and stuff. I'm really good with my camera. I have a very expensive camera that I took a loan out to get, and I made all my profits back and then some. But I took a chance on myself. Some dude that I was at a baby shower was like, hey, man, that camera look nice. Hey, brother. Hey, man, we ought to do some things together. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, brother, All right, I got you. You know what I'm saying? You just hit me up. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Just hit me up. We can do something. He was like, but look, I ain't got no money right now, but I could pay you, you know what I'm saying, with some food. I'm a good cook. I'm like, dude, just because we both black don't mean you can pay me in food, man. Like, I hate that. It be your own, dog. Do you pay them other people? Do you pay other people with food? Why you gotta pay me with food? Do it look like I want a burger, some tenders, and some fries for my work? Do it look like I want you to pay me with some French fries, man? Like, I hate that. Ooh, that burned me up. I looked at dude and I'm like, dude, if you don't get out of my face for I give you a 2-piece nugget over here, I will give you a knuckle sandwich. Man. My wife tells me every morning, remember, you don't need to make $1 million today. 500 is more than enough. Then she gives me an attitude because my shoes are in front of the door. I feel you, helpful. Keeps me humble. That's what's up, man. Lady E said for a real course is okay, but in my opinion, you need a mentor. Someone you can have check your homework and bounce off questions. Yeah. So what's my profit to take home? Yeah, rough and trying to get money, but you gotta learn it first, man. You gotta learn the market. Focus on that first. That was my problem. I started thinking of money, dollar signs. I started getting happy. I'm like, boo, hey man, we finna be lit. And then I got my heart crushed because the markets have a way of humbling you. So I had to learn how the market moved and then made money. Shout out to Terry, man. Man, this TPZ, why you put that in my head, man? I can't believe this fool tried to pay me to do a marketing video, like a marketing video he can put on his social media with tenders and wings, man. Like, bruh. Goodness, man. TBZ, I don't like you. Why did you bring that up? Terry said, everyone likes you. No, Terry, man. Everybody like you, man. Man, I'm just thankful that I came across your path, man. And you know what I'm saying? We bouncing the ideas off, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. To be honest, Terry, I don't think my Fundy Futures would have ever known who I was if it wasn't for you. And I mean what I say, Terry. I think nobody would have known who I was if it hadn't been you saying, hey Corey this, hey Corey the phone trader. I don't think nobody would have known who I was, man. When it come to My Funded Futures, nobody knew who Corey the phone trader was on My Funded Futures until like you just was like you just kept like just putting my name out there, Corey the phone trader. Shout out to you and Bull Barbie. I think somebody had asked the question, so is your name, are you trading from phones? And that started the whole conversation, man. Shout out to you, Terry, man. I'm very appreciative and grateful, man. Thanks for streaming. Oh, thank you, John Pope. The queen is in the chat. Oh, man. Terry and Corey streams are hard to beat. Too wholesome. It be funny, man. I like somebody who can make me laugh. Like, I don't want to be serious all the time. Like, so Corey, what are you looking at when you look at the chart? See, if I look at the theatrics of theatrics, and if I look at the sociables of sociables in the solar system of Pluto, and if we go to Jupiter, and if I'm looking at the calculus of calculations of mathematics, man, don't nobody want to hear that. Make me laugh about trading. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? Make me laugh about it. I don't want to be serious all the time, man. Forget mathematics. Disciplined trader, what's going on, brother? I see you, disciplined trader. I had what happened? Helpful said I had one of my friends open up a coffee shop where I grew up at. They always want They always want to give me free stuff, and I had to talk with him one day and tell him, I want you to succeed. Let me pay. Let me show. That's respect. I do that all the time too, man. People be trying to like help me out. It's like, let me bless you. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how I feel towards you, helpful. It's like, man, hey brother, let me pay for a nice dinner for you and your wife and your kids, man. You know what I'm saying? Can we reshoot the opening scene? How much does that cost? About 27 wings? Man, it made me so mad. This brother tried to pay me with some tenders and wings for a video. Do I look hungry to you, man? Man. I wish more people in the world thought like you. Yeah, man. Shout out to Helpful. Yeah, Roosevelt said because of Terry and the free accounts. Yeah. Terry got a different energy, man. Terry got this very happy, very pleasant, like vibe about her. It almost seems like whatever is going on in Terry's life, she puts it to the side and still bring her happy little joyful self to the scene, man. I appreciate that because that's exactly how I am. I could be experiencing death in my family, you know what I'm saying? But I still show up for the people. Like I was sick and still showing up for y'all, man. Like there's somebody out there, you know what I'm saying, that's having a hard time, having a bad day. I still want to show up and put a smile on somebody's face. I still gotta show up, man. Terry Trey said, same. I think the same. Don't want to be super serious, man. I hate that, man. Get you and your Albert Einstein mind out of here, man. Leave me alone. Shoot. Laughing is good for the soul. Yes, sir, Clint. I hear you loud and clear. Helpful said, I had someone one time try to call me out asking me if I was have success in trading, why was I trying to get free accounts? I still have a job. What? You mean those accounts are $400? Yeah. I wish I won some free accounts. Man, I was on a hot streak at winning free accounts for a while, man, but I ain't won nothing in a minute. It's like, man, people been blessing me, man. You know what I'm saying? Most recently, shout out to Ali, blessed me with a 50K Lucid Flex account, man. So, hey, we grateful and we thankful over here, man. You want that with sauce or no sauce? What about salt on them fries? If that man would have said that, I would have threw that camera. I would have not threw the camera. I probably would have looked at him. I don't know what I would have did, man. Man. They always doing me like that, man. It's like I came across a brother here recently that wanted me to do a wedding for him. He wanted me to do a wedding for him. He was like, hey, Corey, man, I heard you cold with that camera, dog. I'm like, yeah, man, I got skills, brother. I'm just blessed. I'm thankful. Man, hey, I might need you to do my wedding. You know what I'm saying? Hook a brother up. You got a discount? If you don't get out of my face before I slap you. Helper said Terry has that energy that you know after you had a rough day, if she give you a hug, you'll feel that warmth. Terry, all jokes aside, I feel like Lady E and Terry have those motherly, like, inviting spirits, man. That's why I like women like them coming into the stream. I don't know too much about Vanessa. Shout out to Vanessa. It's only 3 ladies that be joining my stream. It's Terry, Vanessa, and Lady E. Sometimes another trader named Sophisticated Trader. Shout out to her. But I haven't seen her in a while. But she do be in here. But I feel like Lady E and Terry, and I don't know Vanessa's situation, but right off bat, Lady E and Terry, and I I don't know if Terry's a mother or not, but I think Lady E is. Terry and Lady E give off like those very welcoming mother vibes. Like if you do bad, it's okay, baby. You get up and try again, baby. I know you can do it. Like they give me that. Like they give me big mama vibes. Like, hey now, you can do it, baby. You better get up and try again. I know you can do it. You're gonna be successful at this. They give me them. And I appreciate that. I can pick it up and I notice it very quickly. Like I said, I don't know about Vanessa. Yeah, I have to talk more to her. Well, I have to communicate. I can normally, when you text, I don't know. It's just a gift from God, man. I won one Tradeify account and was over here dancing. Who you telling, Lady E? Uh-oh, Alfred the GOAT is in the building, man. What's up, Alfred? Man, King Alfred in the building. Ali said we have royalties coming in today. Yeah, man, all the goats is coming in here today, man. Shout out to y'all. Thank y'all for joining the stream. Shout out to y'all for, you know what I'm saying, just watching. Like, man, it's pretty cool, man. We getting some legends in here, man. Shout out to the unicorn. Shout out to the the king, the myth, the man, the legend of Take Profit Trader, in my opinion. What's up, Alfred, sir? Good to see you, man. Always wanting a discount. Oh my gosh, Alfred. I'm so sick of that. Every time I come against, I'm just gonna keep it 100. It's the brothers. Every time I come across another brother, hey dog, hey, can you hook me up? No, I can't hook you up. Are you gonna ask somebody else that? Like, dang, man. Just pay me for my services, dog. Lady E said, oh, thanks, Corey. Yeah, you welcome, Lady E. Lady E, you definitely give off that vibe, man. You definitely give off that vibe. Even if the child is doing wrong or somebody just cannot get it right, you are very supportive. I picked that up from you, Lady E. You have like very motherly, like inviting, like positive, you can do it, keep your head up type of vibe. You and Terry give me those. Now, Vanessa, when she come to stream, the more she keep talking, the more I pick up on her. But shout out to Vanessa, man. Shout out to V. Vanessa 8520 said, that's not me. Oh, well, I almost thought that was you. But there's another Vanessa that be coming in here. All right, comrades. Got a meeting to catch you all tomorrow. All right, see you later, Hadley. Shout out to you, Hadley. Thank you for joining the stream, brother. Yes, sir, man. Yes, they uplifting 100%. Yep. Keep God first and everything else will fall in place. Yes, sir. I hear you loudly. I hear you loud and clear, Hadley. Successful or not, who doesn't want a free account? Man, who you telling? Thank you. Yep. Have a good day, brother. Alfred said they would never walk into a designer store asking for a discount. Yeah, man, it's like, why wouldn't it come to me? You want a discount, man. That's why I don't fool with a lot of people, man. Everybody like, dang, man. I've gotten pretty well known in my city for doing videos. That's how good I am, y'all. I have like this big, huge professional camera, y'all. You know, like the news anchors, when they be showing the back scenes, the behind the scenes, sometimes you be seeing them people with them big cameras on their shoulders. I got setups like that. I got a setup like that, and when people see that, like, they like, dang, he for real. That's the whole point. I know what I'm doing. But let a certain brother come through. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, can you hook a brother up? I could pay you with food. If you don't get out of here. No, Corey, it's me. I had to switch to the laptop. Phone was down. Oh, okay, Vanessa. So Vanessa, I was talking about Terry and Lady E give off those like, I don't know if Terry has a child or not, but the more I keep talking with you, Vanessa, I can pick it up. But Terry and Lady E always give like those very positive, very, you know what I'm saying? Baby, I know you can do it. Come on now. Look at my baby over there. You know, he not doing good. He being bad right now, but I believe that he's going to be something one day. You know what I'm saying? Always uplifting, always being positive. Seeing the best in somebody when, I mean, seeing the rights when there's so many wrongs. You know what I'm saying? Vanessa, I'm almost getting that feeling from you, man. Even though I don't know if you have a child or not, I kind of pick up like there's been plenty of other women joining my stream, but I feel like y'all three give off those vibes to where y'all are very encouraging to be around. So shout out to you, V. I don't know yet. I have to like see you talk more. It's crazy, but when I see you text, it's like I can pick the vibe up, man. It's crazy. It's a gift. It's a gift that I it's all glory to God, man. I don't know yet. I have to communicate and text more to see. Or V, Vanessa, you might be one of those women that's just cutthroat. You either got that motherly, encouraging instinct, or you cutthroat. I don't know about V. I have to like communicate with her more. But I do pick up. Vanessa is that loving, caring person that's encouraging, or she's straight cutthroat. She's the female version of Tupac. Ali said Vanessa a wild card. Captain Crunch, I see you, man. What's up, brother? Vanessa said definitely a wild card. What you mean by that, Vanessa? What you mean by that? So we don't know what we gonna get from you? We had a good stream today. I done made money today. Vanessa says definitely a wild card. Vanessa, that sound like you cutthroat. That sound like, hey, Vanessa, you sound like a ride or die. I told you I'll be able to pick up. V, that sound like you ride or die. I wish you would. I'll punch you. I'll cut you. Don't mess with me. Yeah, V dangerous. Dang, V. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I'm definitely picking up V, boy. She, woo. V said, I'm close to the Tupac explanation that you said. I got you, V. It's all good, man. V just don't take no stuff. V just don't put up with anything. V will get you all the way together. V said, I'm still nice though. I believe it. I believe it, V. But I wouldn't want to push your button. Yeah, I have to. Don't play with V. But shout out to you, V, man. I'm grateful and thankful for you, though. You know what I'm saying? Watch me. It's all love, girl. Clint said, before futures, did you ever trade anything else? Clint, I was getting ready to trade Forex in December of 2023. Well, actually, September of 2023, I learned how to trade. Before I even took my first trade, I started learning the market. And I came across supply and demand because supply and demand made a lot more sense to me. And so I learned supply and demand for about 3 months. September, October, November, December. I learned 3 months of trading before I even took my first trade. Right when I was getting ready to take my first trade with Forex, I had been learning Forex for about a month. I've been learning how to trade supply and demand for 3 months before I even took my first trade, because I've been hearing a lot of people say, learn how to trade first. And then once you learn, then, you know what I'm saying, start taking trades. So I had, you know what I'm saying, just been learning from all type of material from YouTube for free. And I was learning Forex for about a month. Right when I was getting ready to put some money into a Forex account, that's when MT4 and MT5 went haywire. That's when all the prop firms and all the Forex stuff and MT4, MT5, right when all that crazy stuff started happening. That was in 2023, the end of 2023, when that happened. So when that started happening, y'all, that's when I went straight away from Forex. I'm like, I'm not finna trade Forex if it's doing this. I'm like, nah, I'm good, man. So I decided to learn about futures. I had been learning about both. I was more towards the Forex side because I could put like $50 in their account and try to grow that. And at the time I was watching cats that probably was lying, taking like $50 and making it 1,000. You know what I'm saying? I was liking that. And so I was learning Forex for about a month and about futures for a week. So it didn't take me long to learn futures because I had already been knowing how to trade and stuff with Forex brokers. It's a little different from Forex to futures. I learned better with futures. So it didn't take me long because I already had an idea. But when Forex messed up with that MT4, MT5 stuff, I never went back, man. I left Forex alone. I gotta text my wife. Hold up. Get out of here. Get out. Lady E said the slippage on Forex is real. I'm not fooling with no Forex. Ali said definitely Vanessa, one of the mods for next month. That's already sealed, signed, and delivered, Ali. I gotta have at least a lady for a mod. I want to be transparent. I know the market is full of guys, but I want to give the ladies a chance. You know what I'm saying? Just so happened that Lady E was the first one. just to give opportunity. And I'm just trying to show you guys that I really appreciate you guys. I love y'all, man. T Beezy said, yeah, with Forex, every platform and broker had different prices on the charts. It sucked. That's why I didn't want to fool with it. T Beezy said, Forex sucks. It do. I'm not fooling with that. T Beezy said, a lot of scammers come from Forex. It's scam central. Yeah, I hate that, man. iTrades, what's up, iTrades? Good to see you, brother. What's up, man? I'm not the big dog. You the big homie, man. What's up, big homie? What's up, homie? In general, what's up, iTrades? iTrades said, you ever thought about buying one Apex account at a time to make 20 accounts for 20? iTrades, if I buy 20 accounts, I'm buying all of them at the same time. I already made my mind up. And in order for me to trade 20 Apex accounts, I have to work from home. I have to trade from my computer to do that. I'm willing to try it. I mean, I'm not giving up on that. It's just right now, I'm not an intraday trader. An intraday trailing drawdown trader right now. I will eventually will. That's still going to be on the table. It's just right now, I work a 9 to 5, and it's hard for me to trade an intraday trailing drawdown while I work a 9 to 5. That ain't helping. Not gonna work. I have to be home to do that. iTrade says, sounds good, but what? But always come back to that activation, yeah. But they had the 90%. They had a 90% sale going on. The activation fee was cheap. That's not bad. Sounds good, but oh yeah. I felt like I was being scammed, but couldn't press charges. Yeah, never. 95% chance you were getting scammed. iTrade said, you take any trades today? Yes, sir. iTrades. We made $652 on our Lucid 50K eval flex account. That account is sitting at $51,000. We also made, I think, I'm gonna just say $165 on both 50K MyFundy futures eval and the 50K trade day eval. All my accounts made money today, but the most account was made was that Lucid 50K flex eval. The Lucid K Flex is at 51,000, and the MyFundy Futures 50K eval is at, I think, 51,600 and some dollars, and the Trade Day 50K eval is at 51,500 some dollars. So we halfway, man. I just been trying to take it slow, man. Just grabbing my little profits and get out of there, man. I don't want to do nothing stupid no more. This is a brand new year. No excuses. Forex doesn't have the regulation as futures does. I'm going to get you into intraday trailing, Corey. Helpful, I'm down with it, man. It's just I'm so focused on end of day, and I work a 9 to 5, man. Like, I was doing so good with those 2 funded Apex accounts, but I wasn't able to check my phone. That's why I messed up. Other than that, I think I'm good. Y'all, we gotta clock out. I think the intraday will work well with Helpful's ES trading on strategy. I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, Helpful, I got you, man. Because it trails by 10 points at each TP. Helpful, I'm down, man. You know I'm down to learn. I gotta clock out. I'm not, but yeah, I might as well. 25650. 25650. Come on, kick in. Oh, okay, I clocked out. Oh, man. When you set up the trailer, you'll be good. Helpful, please show me. I want a Take Profit Trader account. That's the only intraday trailing drawdown account I'm willing to trade right now is Take Profit Trader. That's it, because they're a daily payout. Once I get over the buffer, it's a daily payout. I don't need intraday trailing drawdown with a consistency rule. No, I don't want to do that. See you later, V. I'll holler at you later, V. Thank you for joining the stream, V. John Pope said, Corey, put that training in the Discord. You and Helpful teach it. If Helpful want me to, I will. I'm not putting nothing nowhere unless he tell me to. That's why he told me to wait till the Discord for the signals. He told me to give the strategy out. But as far as the signals, you gotta wait for the Discord. The Discord is done, guys. I'm waiting on CJ to show me how to, when you get into my Discord, you will automatically be charged. And I'll be talking to some personal people who gonna be my mods, and I have something for them. My mods know who they are. You guys will see. I'm always worried when Corey drives and reads comments. Roosevelt, I mean, my eyes is right here, so that's why I'm able to. Like, if I was down here like this, nah, I can't do that. Man. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it for me, man. We had a really good day, man. Helpful, I'm waiting on that. Show me, brother. Show me about this intraday trailing drawdown. I've been wanting a Take Profit Trader account for a while, but I said unless I start getting payouts and, you know what I'm saying, with the end of the day, once I, you know what I'm saying, I can't master that, but once I get a good hold on getting decent payouts and stuff from the end of the day accounts, I'll eventually go back to intraday trailing drawdown. But if I start out intraday trailing drawdown again, it has to be Take Profit Trader. Y'all, I'm okay. I'm not gonna get no accident or nothing, man. But y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it, man. I gotta get ready to head to go pick my little girl up, man. Thank you guys for joining the stream. If you haven't, make sure you guys go like the video, because I know a lot of people come into the stream and they forget to like the video. So guys, make sure you please go like the video. I would greatly appreciate that if you have not already. Shout out to V, man. Shout out to William Black leaving. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys, man. I appreciate y'all. And y'all know what we got to do, man. We got to do it the right way, man. Lady E, shout out to you. Clint, shout out to you. Thank y'all for joining the stream. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader, man. Got coming out. Thank you guys so much, man. I love y'all so much, man. You guys have made me a better trader. You guys have, you know what I'm saying, put the fire up under my tail to become a better trader, to just do it the right way, to continue to be myself. I'm not perfect, but I just want to share my journey. And when I started doing this, I said, I'm going to just share my journey and see where this take me. And man, it has taken me pretty far. And I'm so grateful and thankful for y'all, man. I would not be in this position if it was not for y'all, man. So shout out to y'all. Thank y'all. Love y'all. We will be back on at 12:10 p.m. Central Time tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow, but make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're a newbie, and make sure you're an OG or a newbie. Click that naughty bell. I would greatly appreciate it. Ali, holla at you. Roosevelt, holla at you. Shout out to everybody joining the stream, man. We're going to get out of here, man. And you know the motto after every video, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. Man, I holla. Peace out, baby. We out of here like hot fish grease. Love y'all. See y'all tomorrow, man. Peace and blessings. Deuces!